This free Canva alternative tool from Adobe is amazing, and I think you're gonna love it. You can use this tool, it's called Adobe Express, to design graphics and also videos for your social media. So before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, so here's the tool, Adobe Express, and here's the URL. Make an account, sign in, and if you click on create, here's everything that you can do for social media. You can create Instagram posts, TikTok videos, YouTube, Facebook, and also to market your business. You can design logos, flyers, posters, anything you can imagine, you can design with this tool. Now, the cool thing is Adobe has recently added some generative AI tools inside it too. So I'm going to show you all of that in a second. So once you go log into your account, make sure you click on join the free beta, because when you do that, you're going to go to this URL. So it's the Adobe Express beta, new look, a lot of new tools, especially the generative AI tools. You're going to find those tools here. And here's the URL for this, the beta tool, newexpressadobe.com. Now let me show you some of these amazing tools. So if you click on social media, here are different templates, so you can design Instagram posts, TikTok videos, Instagram stories, you name it. You can also remove background from your images, you can resize your images, and looks like some of these tools are also launching or coming soon. Merging videos, trim videos, resize videos. Oh, these will be awesome. Now if you go to videos, here are all the video tools. All right, the first thing I want to show you is photos, documents. All of this is cool, but my favorite one is generative AI. When you click on this, there are 2 AI tools so far, and I have a feeling Adobe will probably add more. They're gonna probably launch more AI tools inside Adobe Express. So there's text to image. You can use text prompts to generate amazing images just like these. Look at this. And also the second tool is text effects. You can use text prompts to create or generate effects. Red J-Lo, Jello, not J-Lo. Here are different text effects. Now let's try this tool. So let's say I want to do a black cat with blue glasses. So that's my prompt. Click on generate, and then in a few seconds it's creating my project, it's creating my graphic. All right, here you go. Look at this, how cool this is. I can resize this, I can change themes, background colors. I can also change the content type, make it more photo-ish, graphic, or artistic. Here are different filters and different results, and obviously I can change my prompt and generate this again. So this is really awesome, one of my favorite. So when you do the generation, it gives you 4 options, but if you want to add more, you can click on load more and it will just create more images, or if you want to use one of these, you can do that. So this is really cool. Now let me go back and show you other tools inside Adobe Express. So obviously if you go to social media, and let's say I want to design an Instagram post, I can click create from scratch or browse templates. If you browse templates, here are different templates. Look at this, all of these templates. So you can also search here. So let's say my business is about restaurants or food. I can click here and then I can use one of these templates. Some of these are really amazing. So let's say if I like this, I can start with this, but then I can start making changes. Let's say I want to change the background color, I can do that. I can replace the images, I can change these fonts. Let's say I want to go with a different font color or style, I can do that. So you can start making changes. Let's say I want to change the background color. There you go. Oh, that's not good. Let me go back. There you go. And then once you're happy, you can obviously download these. Make sure you add your right phone number and graphics or address to it. Download this and use it on your Instagram or other social media channel. Let me go back again. The other thing I want to show you is you can also create different videos. I have a feeling very soon Adobe is going to add the generative AI text to video tools. It's not there yet. So right now there are 2 AI tools, text to image and also text to the effects, but I think the text to video is coming soon. I have a feeling for that. But for now, when you go to video, here are different options. So you can create videos for Instagram, TikTok, Instagram story. You can even do like YouTube videos. Let's do a quick Instagram Reels. So again, you can create from scratch or you can browse different templates. So go to templates. Here are different amazing and free templates that you can use. and they're a huge collection. Adobe stock has a lot of videos and images that you can use. Again, you can come back up here and search for your niche, your terms, and then use some of these. So let's say I like this, I'm gonna use this templates right here, and once the template loads, let me make it bigger so you can see it. Here you go. So here's my template. Now I can start making changes to this. So let's say if I want to change this, I can go back here, change the font. I can also change the colors to it. I can start adding my own color. You can also add, click here, you can add your own media, meaning your own graphics, your own logos, your own, if you've recorded videos about your business, you can all upload and use those in here. The other thing you can do is you can also change the background color. So look, it's changing. Custom colors. So watch, the background color has changed. It was white and now it's a green. Let's say for some reason you want to add text here. So at this point, so I can click here and then click on the text tool and now add your text. And here you go. I'm just gonna say wow for now. All right. Let's center this. Healthy Bowel Bridge High Cooking Club. And let me play this. Close this, and here's my full video. And yes, you can customize everything. The images, you can replace those. So let's say if I don't like this video right here, I can delete it and add something else from the media. You can add text to it. You can change text. You can add your logos. And obviously, if you want, let's say if that's not my business is AM Eats. I can do that. You can add your address, your website address, anything that you want right here. But see how cool, simple, and free it is to create graphics and videos for your social media. And obviously, once you're happy with everything, make sure you play it. And once you're happy, download this, and then you can use it on your Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, YouTube, any social media platform that you like. The tool is, again, the name of the tool is Adobe Express. And make sure you join the beta for the new Adobe Express so you can play with the generative AI tools. If you have any questions, let me know. And before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.